Hello, my YouTube family. This is our goat farm. We are preparing a place to bring our boer goats. That's the boys. That's the caretaker place where they're going to be sleeping. And yes, those are our workers working on the farm. Beautiful farm. This open area is going to be playground for the goats. And then behind the fence, we're going to open there for them to move around. There's another fence behind this one. It's a big place. Yes. Our beautiful goat farm. This is in Sierra Leone. Inbox us, follow our channel, subscribe, comment, share, and like. Keep following us for more videos. See you next time, and thank you for watching the videos.